next company, and also our last, finally the last company, is from ENVIS Technology Development Company. Hello, Miracle. Hello, Miracle from ENVIS Technology Development Company.
Hello,
Miracle.
see you
Hi,
again. Yeah.
Hi, Miracle. I'm so happy to see you again, Jane. It's Jane. Long time no see. So happy to see you. And Miracle, would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company or your production line? Anything you want to share? Thank you. You can go.
Thank you. Yeah, okay. Today I will introduce our Aurora music ceiling lamp. I know last time we introduced our Aurora music ceiling lamp, but this time I want to show our 3D lighting effect for you. Yes. Okay, now I will show you. Yeah, this time I show you the 3D lighting effect.
Oh,
The 3D
wow.
cover. Yes.
It's really like a tail, like a rounding tail.
Yes. Now I will show you the phone app. As for the Aurora music ceiling lamp, it can be controlled by phone app and the controller. Yes. As for the phone app, we use the link.
A link.
Yes. The first time we need to connect the Bluetooth link, and then we can control the lamp directly. This one is the red.
Yeah.
Green.
Blue.
As for the lens, we can have the dimming function. Yeah.
Dimming function.
We can change the color temperature. Brightness. This one is the change the brightness. Use the phone app. Yeah. And change the color temperature.
So
and then we show you the scene lighting. Yes. As for the Aurora music ceiling lamps, there have more than 90 scene lightings. So I show you the several lighting effects just like this.
Yeah.
Multiple color flowing. Yes. And mixed rainfall flowing effect. Yes. Of course, the lens can be controlled by controller. Yeah.
Wow. The remote.
Today we show you the 3D lighting effect. Yeah. So which is very suitable to use in party.
Yeah.
Maybe birthday party. Yeah.
So the snowflake, right? The inner side, the shape is a snowflake. It's
yes.
Like
yes. And this one is the visible speaker music ceiling lamps. As for the music ceiling lamps, we can manufacture the Bluetooth music ceiling lamp, Wi-Fi 2 music ceiling lamps. Yeah. As for the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi 2 ceiling lamps, it can be the lamp also controlled by controller and the phone app 2 Smart. Yeah. Okay. Now I in our showroom, so we can show our showroom items for you.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. Okay, I now introduce from the this part. Sorry, can you see it? Yes. Because we are a professional LED manufacturer, so we manufacture the ceiling lamp, downlight, panel lamp, but we mainly manufacture the smart ceiling lamp. Yes, for the this side, all of the this item is smart ceiling lamp, but they have the different functions. For example, and this part, this is the infrared control ceiling lamp. And this can you see?
Yeah, infrared ceiling light.
Okay. And this one is the CCD change with RGB. And yeah, and this side is the 2.4G functions. and 2.4G with RGB. Yeah, it's like this. We also manufacture the square shape, bigger size.
Bigger size.
This is the bigger size ceiling lamp, and this one is the also bigger size. This one is the 800 nm, and this one is 600 nm. Yeah, and now is our music ceiling lamp. This is the hidden speaker music ceiling lamp. As for the music ceiling lamp, just we said we can manufacture the Bluetooth music ceiling lamp, Wi-Fi 2 ceiling lamp, and of course we manufacture the visible music ceiling lamp and hidden speaker ceiling lamp. This one is the hidden speaker.
Okay,
hidden and speaker then means... the one is the visible speaker ceiling lamp.
Visible.
Yeah, you can see the visible visible speaker.
So this is music coming out.
Yeah. This one is the hidden speaker. Hidden one. Yeah. And this part is the Wi-Fi 2 ceiling lamp, just the CCT change. And this side is the CCT change with RGB.
CCT change with RGB. Yeah.
As for the ceiling lamp, different. For example, this design. This one without the speaker, so the lamp can manufacture the different functions. For example, we can manufacture the infrared remote control ceiling lamp, 2.4G or Wi-Fi 2 ceiling lamp. So one model can manufacture the different functions.
One model can use on the different function. Great.
Yes. Okay.
And a quick question: can you test one music sound, for example, for just play one?
Okay.
I'm curious about the sound effect. Although we are doing the lighting LED, but I can see.
Yes. The first time we need to connect the Bluetooth. Yeah. Open the Bluetooth and connect the link app. For example, when I connect the app, and then we can listen to our app in the phone. For example, we usually listen to the NetEase music, so we can open the music directly.
I'm using it. I love NetEase as well.
Yeah. Sorry.
This is from the phone, right?
Yeah.
And later we choose the speaker. Oh.
Sorry, wait a minute.
Don't worry. Take your time.
이걸 촬영 없으시.
So it's suitable for some party, home party, that you can have the beautiful lights and have some music to create the environment. Take your time, don't worry. Take your time, no rush. So the smart lighting is integrated with different function, for example, the lighting function and also the music, sound. So the environment is created by those elements together.
Yes. I connect the next one. You can control the voice by controller. For example, this one
remote.
Decrease the voice and increase
the volume.
And this one is the next song. Yes, the center button is the pause. Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. I want to sing.
Yes.
It's very good. So relaxing. So relaxing, off the light and off the sound. Yeah, because of the smart one, you have it connected to the Wi-Fi and with the Tuya platform, so you can connect all those creations and the equipment are creating this environment. Actually, today you are my last company visiting in the factory tour, and actually you are giving me such a relaxing,
Yes.
and full of a smile, and so happy to see those beautiful shape of the products and also their function. The function is very useful, quite useful.
Yes. I'm also so happy to see you again.
I'm happy to see you again as well. So happy to see Miracle. Yeah. Anything else you want to show in this today's session? Or that's all for today's session, it's introduction.
Sorry, wait a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see again?
Oh, sure. I see. Is that all for today's session introduction in today? Anything else you want to share, or that's all? That's all of them.
Maybe I need to say that's all because we have so many designs. Maybe because due to the time reason, so we have so many models we prepare. But I know you have very tired for the 6 lab show, so maybe I just show our shortly. Yeah,
I think
actually we have so many items, but because the time reason, so we suggest our customers to browse our website www.envis.com.cn, and don't hesitate to contact us if you need any further information. Yes, our factory in Zhongshan, so welcome all of the customers visit our factory. Yeah.
That's really good. That's really good. And anyone customer are interested in the products of your company, I think they will not hesitate to contact with you. So happy. Thank you, Miracle. Thank you. Thank you so much for today's vivid and wonderful introduction again, because I know you have a lot of a great surprise that in your stock, in your warehouse. But we still, because Lightstrade is a platform and we are going to have this factory tour special event time by time, month by month. We have this high frequency of the special event. So I'm looking forward to see you again and expecting to see you and surprising products next time.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Miracle. Thank you for this beautiful lady. And
thank you.
Let's call it a day and have a good evening. Have a good evening.
Have a good evening.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Miracle.